In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead form in ZOHO CRM. By the end, you'll have a simple, functional web form that sends new inquiries straight into your leads module. Start by opening your ZOHO CRM account and heading to the home area. From there, click the Setup icon. In the Setup panel, look for the Channels section and choose Web Forms. This is where all your website capture forms live. Click New Form to begin. Give your form a clear, recognizable name. I'll use Sample Form as an example, but choose something that makes sense for your campaign or page, like Homepage Lead Capture or Event Signups. Next, select the module that should store the submissions. Choose Leads, then click Create to open the form builder. In the builder, you'll see your available fields on the left and the form canvas on the right. Drag first name onto the form to collect the person's name. Add email to ensure you can follow up. Bring in mobile if you plan to text or call. Add lead source to track where the lead is coming from, which is invaluable for reporting. You can include phone as an alternative contact option, and country to help with territory or time zone routing. Finally, drop in description to let prospects add context about their needs. You can reorder fields by dragging them, and you can mark key fields, like email, as required to improve data quality. Keep the form short and essential to boost completion rates. When your layout feels right, click Next. You'll be asked for the form location URL. This should be the exact page on your website where the form will be embedded. Enter that URL and click Add. Make sure the domain matches your site to avoid validation issues and to keep your data secure. For the submission action, choose the Thank You page option if you want users redirected after they submit. This creates a clean, reassuring handoff and lets you track conversions. When you're satisfied, click Save, then Done to finalize the form. Back on the Web Forms page, click your newly created sample form to review its details. From here, you can confirm the configuration and, when you're ready, use the available embed options to place the form on your site. Before going live, test the form end-to-end using a non-sensitive test entry. Check that required fields work, and verify that new leads appear correctly in the Leads module with the right source. That's it for creating a lead form in ZOHO CRM. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.